obviously in order to have, I want to be able to see the logo, so. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are once again in the garage, in the lab. Lots been going on since, so definitely want to keep you guys up to date. We do have a new sponsor on the channel. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. Obviously we got the car right behind me looking snazzy as usual. And yeah guys, I guess we can totally get into it. So I'm going to turn the camera on real quick. We do have a new sponsor. It is Race Ramps. Now if you're like me, you know working underneath these cars, bags or not, whatever you have sucks. To find the jack points in the front especially is pretty tough. I've got side skirts, that makes it kind of a little bit difficult. Rears, obviously it's easier because you do have that bumper in the back. That's easy to lift the car from the back, but besides that, it's kind of tough. So partner up with Race Ramps to give you guys an idea of what the ramps look like, how easy they are to use, just the functionality of them, right? Because again, if you're like me, you like to work underneath the car, whether it's mechanical stuff or aesthetic stuff, it's always nice to be able to lift the car up. Obviously here I don't have room for tire lift, all that kind of good stuff, so partner with Race Ramps, here they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys, check out what they sent me, and then put the car on it and give you guys a good honest review of them. So let's check it out. All right, so let's go with this one here. So this looks like it is race bet. So pretty dope. You guys can see, so definitely will be nice to get underneath the car, a little bit of cushion. So that's pretty cool. And then this little box right here, they send me some bumper stops as well, so pretty dope. We'll again make the car from the back. Got it left and right. Okay, pretty dope. Alright guys, so I'll leave a link down below of everything that I'm unpacking, so you guys can see if you like this one. Now, the cool thing about these two as well is before I actually place the order, they have basically like a formula that you need to put in the car that's going to dictate which of these ramps is needed for your car. So they basically ask you to measure from the front of the wheel all the way to the furthest part of your bumper, and then measure that length and then this height, I believe. So don't quote me on that, but I think that's what I did when I placed these order. And then when I did that in the website, it gave me exactly which ramps were the best for my car. So you don't want to just go in there and just kind of order whatever you want. There is sort of a special format to that, so that way again you don't order the wrong one and then you wind up scraping the car, or just not feasible for your application. So back to these again guys, so here we are. Okay, so these are 60 inches, so for just this part alone. Again, I'll leave a link down below to tell you exactly which one that I got. But just off the rip, obviously quality looks nice. Obviously, the brand spanking new, obviously. The other part that's kind of nice about it is they're kind of light. They're not really like heavy. Like it's not bad. So I think just for transportation purposes, like if you need to take it on the road or whatever, it's not it's not too bad. So it's pretty cool. All right, let's open up the last box. Oh, they come with a little handle. Oh, cool. And there you go. So it looks like and there you go. It looks like that's how they lock in place. As you can see, obviously this is going to be the height. So it looks like when I drive the car up, I should be able to feel this little dip, and then I shouldn't roll the car obviously any further than that. But yeah, that looks like that is one side. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the other one and give you guys a good overview. Alrighty guys, so that's it. Pretty cool, huh? Again, you got the Race Ramps logo on both sides. I really don't think there is a left or a right. I don't think it really matters, but obviously in order to have, you know, I want to be able to see the logo. So alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and set these up, dry the car on top, and see how it looks. Alright guys, you see the car is up. We're gonna grab our little stoppers here. Let's walk around. Alrighty guys, so we are set. Just to give you an idea, I mean there's plenty of room. Again, everybody's ramp will be different. I mean, depending on what you choose and what it allows you to choose based on your height. But right now, I've got 20 inches of clearance in the very front. I don't know if you guys can see that. So definitely is plenty of room, which is great. As you can see there, this specific ramp too is also specific to the wheels that I have, or the tire width that I have in front too as well, which is super nice. So now here's the other cool part. For example, if I did want to, for example, work on this side of the car, this actually moves. So again, I got more clearance to work on whatever I need to work on this side. Whether it's mechanical, aesthetic, you name it, it is now available. So you guys can check it out. So pretty cool. But yeah guys, that is it. That is it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, Race Ramps, you guys are awesome. Guys, again, I appreciate you guys for following and subscribing. We are chugging along here on YouTube, so definitely more things to come. But again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.